One day, a young man came to Buddha. He was full of anger and hatred. For many days, he had been carrying pain in his heart. He saw Buddha and said, "Master, I am suffering." Buddha looked at him calmly and asked, "Why are you suffering?" He replied, "Master, people have hurt me badly. Some betrayed me, some insulted me. I try to forget, but I cannot. I cannot forgive them. Day and night, I keep thinking about what they did. The more I think about it, the angrier I become. How can I find peace?" Buddha did not answer immediately. He quietly stood up and took the young man into the forest. The forest was quiet. After walking for some time, Buddha stopped near a large stone lying on the ground. Buddha picked up the stone and handed it to the young man. Buddha said, "Carry this stone with you." The young man carried it for a while and followed Buddha through the forest. At first, the stone did not seem very heavy, so he continued walking. After some time, his arms became tired. His shoulders started hurting, but Buddha continued walking without saying a word. The young man kept carrying the stone, but after some more time, the pain became unbearable. Finally, he said, "Master, this stone is very heavy. I cannot carry it any longer." Buddha asked, "When did the stone become heavy?" The young man replied, "It was not too heavy at first, but the longer I carried it, the heavier it felt." Buddha smiled and replied, "Exactly. Anger is just like this stone. The longer you carry it, the heavier it becomes. When someone hurts you, anger may enter in your heart. At first, it seems small, but if you keep carrying it day after day, week after week, year after year, it becomes heavier and heavier. It steals your peace, it steals your happiness, and eventually it steals your life. Inside every person, there are two wolves. One wolf is filled with anger, jealous, revenge, and hatred. The other wolf is filled with love, peace, kindness, and compassion. The young man thought for a moment and then asked, "Master, which wolf wins?" Buddha answered, "The one you feed every day." The young man became silent. He realized that every day he was feeding the angry wolf. He kept remembering old hurts. He replayed painful memories again and again. With every negative thought, the angry wolf grew stronger. Buddha gently said, "The person who hurt you may have already moved on with their life, but you are still carrying the pain. You are not punishing them, you are punishing yourself." Now the man understood something important. Forgiveness is not about setting someone else free, it is about setting yourself free. That day, he decided to let go of the burden he had been carrying for so long, and after that, he felt peace in his heart.